I will like to Sahu sir already available.
Yes.
Yes, you can turn on camera.
Okay. Okay. Just
Almost is ATAL ATP program is a 5 days program is completed. The session started in the 16th evening 6 o'clock is a valedictory session. Sorry, inaugural session started by Professor Kumar, and followed by the talk is a Professor Kumar is a deliver the lecture is semiconducting materials and crystal growth techniques, followed by the Dr. Sumati from Germany. Also, she given a lot of opportunities and crystal growth techniques. How will be possible to do the crystal? Then sequentially in the second day, we are started with talk. Just 1 minute, I can open all the things. Just to, I already prepared. Just 1 minute. Just
is that Tangabel.
yes.
So I'll thank everyone. The vote of
Yeah.
thanks.
Yes, you can do the vote of thanks. Is fine. It's not issue.
You want to explain or I should proceed?
I will about the speaker. I can speak. Then finally, you can give the explanation. Vote of thanks.
Okay. Okay.
The second day is Dr. Pradap Kumar sir is given the semiconductor technologies for regarding all video lectures is provided. Is YouTube's and advanced techniques he have explained such a way that is all participation and faculty members very benefited from these talks. Then I will thank to the Kumar Pradap Kumar sir. It's very nice presentation in the second day sessions. And the fourth session is delivered by talk is Professor Kumar. Again, the semiconducting material and devices. He has explained very nice how will be the crystal growth techniques grow by the semiconducting materials and devices. And third day session started by Agles Pandey is from DRDO SSB New Delhi. He is also is deliver the lectures semiconducting material based on the gallium nitride materials and other 2,6 semiconductor material. Also he explained how will be the semiconductor processing technology. He explained. I would like thank Dr. Aglesh Pandey sir also. Today also is given the talk is advanced trend in the semiconducting process. Then I will thank to the Aglesh Pandey for excellent talk in the FDP program. The followed by the talk is a informative talk is regarding the crystal growth techniques. The silicon, especially the using the silicon for the industrial levels. It's not like the academic level. Industry level, he has grown the crystals using Sokolatsky techniques. Is nearly 10 kg of crystals he's grown. After that, he have explained as such a way that how the silicon crystals into the wafer size, how will be wafer, how the cutting, the goniometer, everything is shown, and wafer, how will be dopant. That is one of the impress talk. The next day is given how the dopant role. Initially, that people giving the dopant is a boron materials, but the p-type material. Now later on he changed the materials. Is a gallium doped is silicon. Is a p-type achievement. The showing the in terms of solar cell things. Then slowly is moved to the direction is the history of the solar cell he developed and showing the n-type wafer. They're going to start at the n-type completing n-type wafer. He explained. I would like to thank Dr. C.V. Kannan, the excellent talk for this contribution to the FTP programs. Then again, Dr. Suresh is the day fourth. Dr. Suresh from the France, Georgia Tech Technology, the European campus. Then he delivered such another gallium nitride device and materials. Then he contribution for the LED fabrication, especially the using the micro LED fabrication is showing the stacking the UV LEDs and green LEDs and red LEDs he try to make the white LED structures. Then I would like to big thank to the Dr. Suresh Sundaram from the Georgia Institute of Technology for contribution to this FDP programs. Then day 5 we started with the talk from the Siddha Reddy, from the Dr. Siddha Reddy from the applied materials. He have given excellent contribution from the applied materials. How will we work in the semiconducting materials and devices? Then I would like to thank sir. Then contribution from the FDP program. Then day 5 is started from the Dipti madam. She has designed overview of how the design DFF semiconductor manufacturing process. She given a wonderful talk how upcoming devices working in the direction in the manufacturing technology, how the layout is making. For example, is the design technology based in terms of co-optimization models. That model is given, the layout is given the structure. I would like to big thank to the madam. She is also agreed with industrial and academic collaboration with all faculty members and students the work. Then once again I will thank the madam. Global Foundry is working for almost 24 years. Then this is a contribution of the Dipti madam for the FTP programs. Today started with a journey from Dr. Sankar from Academic Sinica from Taiwan. Excellent crystal growth techniques and as well as the 2D materials followed by the talk. Dr. Rajesh from the IIT Roorkee. He also PhD with the Academic Sinica, the Dr. Sankar students. He immediately agree with give the talk. Then I would like to thank Sankar, Dr. Sankar, Academic Sinica, and Dr. Session is also Agles Pandey sir. Today is given there's a future trend of the semiconductor processing technology. Is an excellent contribution from the FDP program. Then final talk is from again the Dr. Pradap Kumar sir. Is I request the VLSI design. How will we work in the upcoming technologies in the VLSI part? Then again, I big thank to the Dr. Pradap Kumar sir. Is excellent contributions. He have agreed to talks. Is a very nice presentation. I would like to thank one more thank to the Dr. Pradap Kumar sir. It's very nice presentations. And finally I will thank to all the faculty members and students and resource persons. I would like to thank all the resource persons. Very nice, excellent presentations from the entire contribution from day 1 started and day 6 also. Still almost contribution is fine. Then I would like to thank participation also is starting from the journey 6 o'clock onwards. Today also is a lot of people are joined from 2 o'clock onwards. I would like to thank all the participants and faculty members. Those who are joining, they will get benefit from the ATAL FTP program in the semiconductor crystal growth and semiconductor manufacturing technology things. This is the overview of this all FTP program for the entire 6 days program, online program. If any suggestion and any feedbacks things is welcome for the your suggestion and feedback from you audience and faculty members and students. Thank you very much once again for all those who are attending online programs and resource person. I would like to big thank to the all the peoples those who are contributed from the ATAL online 6-day online faculty development program. Thank you very much once again for this chances. Thank you very much.
So anyway, on behalf of the organizers,
Yes, you can. I'd like to invite co-coordinators is Dr. Sagu. Deliver vote of thanks.
Thank you,
Yeah, you
Professor
can
Thangavel.
present. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Esteemed resource persons, respected members and delegates and dear participants. So we are into the concluding ceremony of this 6-day online faculty development program on crystal growth, semiconductor processing and manufacturing technologies. And I take this opportunity to thank the funding organization AICTE for providing their financial resources and generous funding and support, also technical support also, to organize this event. And a big round of applause for AICTE. And also I take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to head of the departments, Professor Bobby Antony and Professor Ravi Kumar Gangwar, here in Department of Physics and Department of Electronics Engineering respectively, for their encouragement and support. And I would like to thank all the resource persons, Professor J. Kumar, Anna University, Dr. R. Sumati, Deputy Head of Department of Leibniz Institute of Crystal Jaktang, Germany, Dr. Pratap Kumar Das, AMD Bangalore, Dr. Akhilesh Pandey, SSPL DRDO, Dr. CV Kannan, Tata Power Solar, Tamil Nadu, Professor Suresh Sundaram, Georgia Institute of Technology, and then Mrs. Deepthi Saini from Global Foundries, Mr. Siddha Reddy, Deputy Director Applied Materials, and Dr. R. Sankar, Academia Sinica, Taiwan. I think I have mentioned all the resource persons, and a big round of applause for all our resource persons for sharing the knowledge to all the participants. I think all the participants have benefited from this 6-day learning experience. It has definitely enriched your knowledge, and also some of you can choose the career path now. The semiconductors and fabrication you can choose. Maybe this is the spark that you needed to start a new career in this. So also, lastly and not the least, that I would like to thank Professor Thangavel, course
Yeah,
coordinator
and student also
of this
they got entire contributions.
mentioned.
Yeah, especially
So
this, yeah, you can inform
course
students.
coordinator, faculty development program, and his sincere hard work has made this possible. And definitely the team, not only him, the team, entire team of this particular workshop, GRFs of Professor Thangavel, of mine, all have contributed to make this possible. And thank you for organizing this event and making this event a success. And finally, I would like to thank the esteemed management of ITSM Dhanbad for the unwavering support, encouragement, and facilities for conducting this event. And I'd like to thank participants. You have attended all the lecture sessions patiently and asking a lot of your queries. I think most of the queries have been answered. And these last 6 days, definitely you have some knowledge you have gathered which can benefit you in future. And I'm sure we will again meet in future, some other faculty development program or some other workshop, etc. So wishing you a fruitful journey ahead in your career, and thank you.
Yes, thank you very much for once again to all. I would like to thank Sahu sir also. It's an entire contribution starting from proposal writing itself. He given more contribution, more support to me. I would like to thank Sahu sir also. He's part of the yes, so much
Resource
expert, and
persons.
he given much more contribution. He only given assurance to me. Okay, we'll conduct the program like that. That's why I would like to thank
Yes.
Sahu sir also. His contribution from
So
this
huge round
FDP
of
program.
applause for this CP. From all of you, I want some round of applause, and
Yes,
we can take this as in a positive note, and we can start again
yes,
picking up the new next.
yes,
Thank you,
yes.
thank you.
Thank you very much once again to all faculty members and students.